motto, I came up with my own slang. See, there's no change. Kim with propane. For the time being, this'll do some damage to the whole place. Just enough to let you understand, fuck with me. Once they ask for forgiveness, there's no chance. Got no plans to let my past back into my now. They all ended up having no fans. Bitches will be burned like my trees when I smoke. Taking toes for the hurt. Bitches waking, begging for the first. On the second nail. Faces in the dirt, ass to the sky. What could be worse? Until the fiend and leech comes knocking on your door, I just say fuck off.
Survival of the fittest. This is do or die. This is the winner takes it all, so take it all.
Wasn't ready to be no million. I was ill prepared. I was prepared to be ill though. The skill was there. In the beginning, it wasn't about the ends. It was about busting raps and standing for something. Fucking acronym. Cut the fucking act like you're happy. I'm fucking back again with another anthem. What's up? When it doesn't have to end. It ain't over till I say it's over. enough when I say enough. Throw me to them wolves and close the gate up. I'm afraid of what'll happen to them wolves. When the thought of being thrown into an alligator pit, I salivated it. Raiders up, hands up like it's 12 noon. Nah, homie, holding bitches straighter up. Wave them to your dislocator. Came up rough, came to ruffle feathers. Now egos, I ain't deflated. No last chance to make this whole stadium in rust.
This is survival of the fittest. This is do or die. This is the winner takes it all. So take it all.
I can see the finish line with each line that I finish. I'm so close to my goals, I can almost pole vault over the goalpost. And if I don't got enough in the tank, maybe I can just siphon enough to fill up this last can. Man, will I survive in this climate or what? They said I was washed up and got a bloodbath. I'm not a rapper, I'm an adapter. I can adjust, plus I can just walk up to a mic and just bust. So floor's open if you'd like to discuss top 5 in this motherfucker. And if I don't make the cut, what like I give a fuck. I'ma light this bitch off like I'm driving a truck to the side of a pump. 0 to 60, hopping and gunning like G-Unit.
MÜ esimese värav oli number 87 Artur Okruško ja söötis number 10 Simon-Georg Mahla.
Take me to another dimension tonight. Not about. I can't stop this feeling, baby. Hold me, you can make me come alive.
And watched from far away, but you always knew that you'd be the one to work while they all play. And you'd lay awake at night and scheme of all the things that you would change, but it was just a dream.
MÜ teise värava oli number 10 Simon-Georg Mahla ja söötis number 87 Artur Okruško. Seis on 2-0.
Tonight, we're gonna make it our own, but we're gonna do it right.
the forge and muster at the cannery. Hot time in the old town tonight. Keep your wits about you when we turn it up. Fall upon the old sworn enemy. Hot time in the old town tonight. Tonight, we're gonna make it our own, but we're gonna do it right. Tonight, we're gonna. Make it our own, but we're gonna do it right.
EMÜ mängija number 14 Jaan Tähiste sai 2 minutit lükkamise eest.
Come with me now.
I know you wanna go, I know.
EMÜ mängib täiskoosseisus.
I know you wanna go.
Yo, rich nigga.
Come on, come on. This plane. Go! Go!
Started with 100 bricks. Now I sold out, bitch. My mama said stay patient. Hundred bands, I ain't waiting. I'm figured it fucked up. Boy, you got me fucked up. I'm figured it fucked up. God damn, you got me fucked up. Fill my cup up, then you got me fucked up. Every ugly bitch in here, they looking bad as fuck. She popped the molly, ooh, look at her tongue. The bitch that came with me said they want some. Looking at forwards, run. Got picking my covers, not looking like George.
Ruubene 1 mängija number 37, Martsis Privulis sai 2 minutit kõrge kepi eest.
I'm asking a bit what her name, she telling me cinnamon. Cinnamon. I wanna put all of my glaze on you like a cinnamon. Cinnamon. Started with 100 bricks. Now I sold out, bitch. My mama said stay patient, mama. 100 bands, I ain't waiting. I'm figured it fucked up. Boy, you got me fucked up. I'm figured it fucked up. God damn, you got me fucked up. Now mama looking so gorgeous. She asked me, can I afford it? I told her, bitch, you got me fucked up. My nigga chicken pay your mortgage. 24K at my toilet pack is enormous, calling me Norgan. Take up a Migo or make it Totitos illegal, I might get deported. You niggas be tripping, you fucked up. If you thinking you gon' get me slipping. Living no witness, scripts coming through your chimney. I got the Bobby, the Britney, the Iggy. Sorry, I ran out of Whitney. Young nigga, I'm making history. Before I die, you gon' remember me. Take out.
I know you wanna go. I know you wanna go. Come on, we taking on. Go. And I know you don't wanna miss this plane. Go.
Started with 100 bricks. Now I sold out, bitch. My mama said stay patient, mama. 100 bands, I ain't waiting. I'm figured it fucked up. Boy, you got me fucked up. I'm figured it fucked up.
All set.
Damn, you got me fucked up.
She grab her teeth like she hungry. Popping them out like she horny. She talking too much, she annoying. She giving out blowjob, no employment. My diamonds and limit, she sticking and geeking. She said she got a nigga tonight, she cheating. It's been a whole weekend, so when are you leaving? Just suck on the dick, baby girl, don't be teething. My neck is so sick, somebody come and treat it.
Migos in the building, sold out arenas. Get your bitch out that session, my nigga, she smoking up all of the rivers. Lean my 2 liter, don't do margaritas. The shit that we smoking is louder than speakers. Oh, started with 100 bricks. Bricks. Now I sold out, bitch. My mama said stay patient, mama. 100 bands, I ain't waiting. I'm figured it, fucked up. Boy, you got me fucked up. I'm figured it, fucked up. God damn, you got me fucked up. Damn.
Your blood like ice. One look could kill my pain. Your thrill. I love you, but I better not touch.
Otetaan kantavaan. Lennä nyt jäsenmatti, lennä nyt jäsenmatti. Tule elävänä takaisin. Lennä nyt jäsenmatti, lennä nyt jäsenmatti. Tule elävänä takaisin. Näetkö ihmisten katseet, kun ne sua...
MÜ kolmanda värava oli number 15, Mikko Saarivoori, söötis number 40, Sten Kõiv. Värav oli arvulisest ülekaalust.
bed. You drip with sweat. Your blood like ice. It tastes so nice. Give me some poison. You're mad, so hard. You're wet, I'm caught. Good skin, so wet. Black lace on sweat. I need you more than that, just thinking for that. I want the happy best, it's great, great. I need to want the much too much to run from my again. I want the kiss you with your lips, not the lips.
Ruubene 1, esimese värava oli number 23, Kaspars Kurudents-Steins ja söötis number 19, võis Karasevs.
one.
Otetaan kaade, onko silaade, vuohiti kaade, hojate. Nagetaan kaade, tonka silaade, hakisi taade, hojate. Uia wakana, ne hipi uia, nakase jina, hojate. Hey, 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 ah, hey, ah, hey, ah.
Ruubene 1, värav oli number 31, Maris Parts ja söötis number 33, Markus Tumpis. Seis on 3-2.
Otetaan kaade, otetaan kaade, otetaan kaade, otetaan kaade. Uia wakana, uia wakana, uia wakana, uia wakana. Hey, 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 ah, hey, ah, hey, ah, ho. Otetaan kaade, onko silaade, vuohiti kaade, hojate. Nagetaan kaade, tonka silaade, hakisi taade, hojate. Uia wakana, ne hipi uia, nakase jina, hojate. Hey, hey, hey.
EMÜ mängija number 15, Mikko Saarivoori sai 2 minutit kepilöögi eest.
to the Mac. Get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit me get.
Emmy mängib täiskoosseisus .
Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Bad moonwalking in this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway and we did it all way. Chrome music. I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that vibe on. Suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back. Question. Labels out here. Now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people. Spread it across the country. Labels out here. Now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people. Spread it across the country.
Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold. Us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Nah, can I kick it? Thank you. Yeah, I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me. Go hard like I gotta eat up in my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like it gave a little speed to a great white shark on shark. We raw. Gonna go up, gone. Deuces goodbye. I got a world to see. My girl, she wanna see Rome. Caesar make you a believer. Nah, I never ever did it for a throne. That validation comes from giving it back to the people. Now sing this song and it goes like. Raise those hands, this is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was watching. I got my city right behind me. If I fall. me. Learn from that failure, gain humility, and then we keep marching.
Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. So we put our hands up.
And all my people say, that's right. And all my people say, that's all right. And all my people say,
I see your dirty face hide behind your collar. What is done in vain? Truth is hard to swallow, so you pray to God to justify the way you live a lie, live a lie, live a lie. And you take your time, and you do your crime. Will you make your bed? I made mine. Because when I arrive, I bring the fire, make you come alive. I can take you higher. What this is, for God, I must now remind you. Let it rock, let it rock, let it rock. Now the son's disgraced. He who knew his father when he cursed his name turned and chased the dollar, but it broke his heart. So he stuck his middle finger to the world, to the world, to the world. And you take your time, and you stand in line where you get what's yours. I got mine. Because when I arrive, I bring the fire, make you come alive. I can take you higher. What this is, for God, I must now remind you. Let it rock, let it rock, let it rock. Yeah, Wayne's World, let it rock. Drive and the top. Is she gon' rock to the camera
sing about angels like Angela, rock, and Pamela, rock, and Samadai, rock, and Amanda, and Tamara. I'm in here like, what's up, mechanic, me, I can fix you up, I can pick you up, I can get down, shawty, we could go wherever, just pick a town, and my jewelry is louder than an engine sound, big egg clocks like on the ground, dirty like socks that's on the ground, we say, because when I arrive, I'll bring the fire, make you come alive, I can take you higher, what this is, for God, I must now remind you, let it rock, let it rock, let it rock. Because when I arrive, I'll bring the fire, make you come alive. I can take you higher, what this is, for God, I must now remind you, let it rock, let it rock, let it rock. Just let it rock, let it rock, let it rock, let it rock. Like I forgot something, I'm something. Rolling, rock, rubbing, rap, running. Miles like it's trying to get a flat stomach. Like Wayne, a personal trainer. My aim is perfect, yeah, period. Like the reminder. I wish I could be as cool as you. And I wish I could say the things you do. But I can't. Come in unannounced, drag my nails on the tile. I just follow your sin, you can just follow my smile. All of your flaws are aligned with this mood of mine. Cutting me to the bone, nothing left to leave behind. You ought to keep it concealed, just like I was a weapon. I didn't come for a fight, but I will fight till the end. And this one might be a battle, might not turn out okay. You know you look so Seattle, but you feel so LA. Hey, hey, hey. It's irresistible.
I'm gonna get you to burst, just like you were a bubble.
Frame me up on your wall, just to keep me out of trouble.
Like a moth getting trapped in the light bulb fixation.
Truly feel love, baby, I'm talking no inflation. Too many war wounds and not enough wars. Too few rounds in the ring and not enough set of scores.
Too many sharks, not enough blood in the waves.
You know I give my love a fuck for all that and it's irresistible.
Secondhand smoke, I breathe you in, but honey, I don't know what you're doing to me. Mon Cherie, but the truth catches up with us eventually.
I try to say little, but I'm no good at lip service, except for yours. Me more, I'm coming for you and I'm making war.
I still love the way I hurt you.
It's irresistible. DJ turn me up, ladies get your jam. I'ma sip my Moscato, you gon' lose your pants. Then I'ma throw this money while you do it, rock it, roll it. Girl, the way you move it, got me in a trance. DJ turn me up, ladies get your jam. I'ma sip my Moscato, you gon' lose your pants. Then I'ma throw this money while you do it, rock it, roll it. Girl, drop it to the floor, I love the way you put it, girl. Trance. DJ turn me up, ladies get your jam. I'ma sip my Moscato, you gon' lose your pants. Then I'ma throw this money while you do it, rock it, roll it. Girl, the way you move it, got me in a trance. DJ turn me up, ladies get your jam. I'ma sip my Moscato, you gon' lose your pants. Then I'ma throw this money while you do it, rock it, roll it. Girl, drop it to the floor, I love the way you put it, girl.
MÜSK neljanda värava oli number 10 Simon Georg Mahla ja söötis number 15 Mikko Saarevoori. EM-i mängija number 87 Artur Kruško sai 2 minutit jõulise mängu eest.
All we ever hear from you is blah, blah, blah. So all we ever do is go, yeah, yeah, yeah. And we don't even care about what they say, 'cause it's yeah, yeah, yeah. Blah, 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 blah. All we ever hear from you is blah, blah, blah. So all we ever do is go, yeah, yeah, yeah. And we don't even care about what they say, 'cause it's yeah, 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 yeah. Blah, 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 blah. All we ever hear from you is blah, blah, blah. So all we ever do is go, yeah, yeah, yeah. And we don't even care about what they say, 'cause it's yeah, 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 yeah. Blah, 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 blah.
EM-i mängija number 25 Jakob Poom sai 5 minutit ohtliku mängu eest. Ruuben 1 lõi oma kolmanda värava arvulisest ülekaalust number 45. Aivas Kristjans rullis ja söötis number 29. MV5 värav oli number 87 Artur Krustov.
me see your hands in the air. Come on, and let me see your hands in the air. Come on, and let me see your hands in the air. Let me see your hands in the air. Come on, and let me see your hands in the air. When you hear this, when you jump up on your chair. Come on, and let me see your hands in the air. Let me see your.
Ruuben 1 neljanda värava oli number 31, Maris Parts, söötis number 33, Markus Tumpis. Seis on 5-4.
See your hands in the air. Come on, and let me see your hands in the air. Come on, and let me see your hands in the air. Let me see your hands in the air.
Ruuben 1 5. värava oli number 45, Aivars Kristjans rullis ja söötis number 17, Ivar Stekapson.
All my niggas cutthroat up into the air. I got pistols at the ass, I don't even bang. Motherfucker, I'm a legend, bitch, I'm Kurt Cobain. Heard you pussies talking down on my fucking name. When I pull up, then they silent, bitch, while you was speaking. And they praise me in my face, but y'all shit when I...
Ruuben 1 6. värava oli number 2 ja söötis number 45. Ruuben 1 7. värava oli number 22 ja söötis number 19. Seis on 5-7.
And I heard these niggas scared because I am a...
Drinking,
Now when the sun come up, I'll be there to say what up in the morning. Brush my teeth, find that clip I've been looking for since last night. I feel so caught up in the bud. I float somehow in my bed.
Ruben 1, best player number 98. EMÜ parim mängija number 87 Arturo Krusko.
Turn around, see myself in the mirror, I guess I'm cool. And those happy thoughts in my head, I'm feeling like I'm Peter Pan. Minus the tights and the birds, happy to see how far I've come to the same place. It began in my dreams, imagination, perfectly at peace. So I move along a bit higher. I'll be up a bit away, cause they gon' judge me anyway. So whatever, I'll be up a bit away, cause in the end they'll judge me anyway. So whatever. I learned, I see the dreams I made, so I'm cooler now. I can take care of my mom, I'm alone, Missouri, so sing along, little mama. You ain't gotta worry about no drama, no. I provide for friends and fam and fans, a couple city grinding man. Stay afloat, the key is hope. I never let a motherfucker break me down. Who gives a fuck if a nigga don't like